Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finna.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Alipearl Hair. Shout out to you, Alipearl, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So this wig is their 12-inch side part body wave bob 13x4 frontal wig. I'm gonna click on the site and give you guys a little more detail. Bouncy full loose body glueless side part short lace frontal wig. It's available in 12, 14, and 16 inches. So if you do want the 16 inch, it is available as well as the 12 inch. But as I stated, I mean, as well as the 14 inch. But as I stated, I do have it in 12 inches. So I noticed on here it says loose body instead of body wave. And I think that's because of the curls that you get when you first get the unit. But once you wash it, what I've noticed, now I can't say that's going to be a fact with this wig because obviously I haven't yet. But usually with these type of units, once you wash it, it goes to your traditional body wave wig, and you'll have to curl it more and all of that stuff. But straight out of the packaging, it comes with curls, like it's pre-curled. So that's why I think it's saying loose body. Like I used to get a lot of loose wave units that would say that. So that's what I'm assuming. I don't see any other details and specs on this wig. Now I will say with this unit, it's probably really easy to wear it glueless. I did apply adhesive to it just because I always have this little issue right here in my ear area, as you guys know. But I think you should really be able, if you don't have those big ear shoes that I have, I think you should be able to wear it easily glueless because it was pretty snug, and I have it pretty tight and it was snug. So I really like that. I don't know if they have any other sizes available, but I am an average cap size, as you guys know. I don't see it, so I'm not 100% sure, but I will say this unit is, in my opinion, it is average to large head friendly, but I do think you could make it work if you have a smaller head by just adjusting that elastic band that it comes with, and it's detachable. And as far as shed and tangling, I haven't noticed any straight out of the packaging. Obviously I did add some layers to kind of frame my face more and go more for a look that I was going for, but you can style it however you want to, because I don't feel like it had any layers for real. So do as you want. If you're not a layers girl, you like everything to be one length, whatever, do that. If you want to add more layers, do that. You can style it and customize it however you like. It came with this part. I didn't add any powder to this part whatsoever. There wasn't hardly anything that I had to do to this unit but slap old girl on, honey, okay? I kid you not. It was not a whole lot that I had to do. Child, look at me, want to prop my arm up. It's not a whole lot that I had to do whatsoever. I did add a few curls and I did layer it some, but this was a very easy install. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start my cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and the only con that I have with this unit is that it is a 13x4. So, you know, even though it came with that curved part, you would probably have to do a curved part, okay? So you guys know that is a standard con for me as far as 13x4s and stuff goes. So yeah, that's gonna be my con. My pros are, it came pre-tweezed, okay? And this bob is bobbing and it's pre-curled. It is, what else? Pre-bleached. I had to add nothing to this wig, and I love that for me. So in my opinion, even though you have to cut the lace or whatever, I feel like it is very beginner friendly and lazy girl friendly because it didn't take me any time to install this wig. It was super easy. So those are all of my pros. Plus it's a bob, honey, and it's summer. That's why I got my little summer dress. This is like my go-to dress for my summer styles. So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Obviously, like, I am loving this wig. I would definitely recommend this wig in probably any length. Like, I love this unit. I think it is perfection, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, comment down below, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off, honey, down below. Once again, shout out to you, Alipearl, for sending me this gorgeous unit and sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in all of the details and a direct link to this wig, I will have it listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok, and Hell to Misty on Snapchat, and Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.